In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a table to your website using Hostinger Website Builder. Now, let's dive right in and get started on a journey to seamlessly incorporate tables into your site to enhance both its functionality and aesthetic. First and foremost, you need to have access to a tool that can generate tables efficiently. We recommend using the Tables Generator tool for this purpose. It offers a user-friendly interface that makes creating tables a breeze. You can easily find this tool online. Just type in Tables Generator tool into your search engine. Once you have the tool open, you'll see a blank slate where your new table will soon take shape. The beauty of the Tables Generator is in its simplicity and flexibility. You'll notice a toolbar at the top packed with options to customize your table to fit perfectly with your website's style. You can adjust columns and rows, select the borders colors, and even change fonts to make your data presentation as appealing or as formal as you like. Be sure to click through these customization options to fully explore the variety of designs available to you. Now let's talk about populating your table. This is where you input all the data you want to display. Simply click on each cell and enter the relevant values. Make sure to double check your entries for accuracy because this information will be presented directly to your site visitors. Utilize features like the table width adjustment if you're dealing with large amounts of data. This can make your information far easier for users to digest, enhancing their overall experience on your site. After your table is crafted and fully customized to your satisfaction, it's time to transfer it over to your website. The Tables Generator tool allows you to easily do this by providing a piece of HTML code that encapsulates your table design. You'll want to look for the option to copy the generated code, usually prominently displayed, to move forward with this step. Once you've copied your code, the next step involves heading over to your Hostinger Website Builder. Here's where the magic happens. Locate the section of your website where you'd like to display your table. This could be on a page dedicated to specific data, like a product comparison chart, or within a blog post offering extra insights to your readers. Peer into the HTML section of the page editor within your Hostinger Builder and paste the generated code right there. And that's it. With those simple steps, your meticulously crafted table will be live on your website, ready to present your data comprehensively and beautifully. This integration not only enhances the professionalism of your site, but also significantly improves your visitors' ability to absorb and understand the information presented. Happy building!